Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making for us vegetable stir fry, turkey sauce, and fried plantain and potatoes as the side. So now I'm frying the vegetables on low heat, cooking with olive oil. Keep stirring, make sure you don't get it burnt. Stirring. I actually have two pans on the stove cooking simultaneously, but the focus here is on the vegetables, so I'm stirring in vegetables. Keep stirring. You can see my both pans. Keep stirring. Medium to low heat. I put in the turkey, already pre-boiled and sauteed. And then next I'm going to put in the seasoning. In the seasoning I have black pepper, I have ginger, garlic, I have Maggi, I have salt, I have turmeric, and a little bit of thyme. So I like it a bit brown. And then I'm going to take it out and put it on a paper towel and let the oil strain out. Up next is going to be the potato, the sliced potato. Most people call it Irish potato for us Nigerians. If you want Irish potato, you can get it from Jos. I think back in Nigeria, when I used to be in Abuja, potatoes, the bag used to be 9,500, for the big bag. So you keep frying till it's like it's floating up. That's when you know it's fully cooked. Now I'm dishing it out. Put it on a clean plate. See how beautiful it looks. So this is a healthy meal for people that are busy. Another alternative is to grill your potatoes and your plantain. But because I have little kids, I try not to grill much for them because it's hard. But for me, I go for that option. So you could serve this with a cold drink, zobo, juice, water, anything. I did mine with a glass of red wine. Trust me, it's amazing. So yeah, if you love this recipe, if you'd like to see more of my recipe, quick fix meals, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing lovely stuffs up in here, healthy meals that I ate. Anyway, remain blessed. I love you. Bye bye.